Craving something sweet, soft, and comforting for breakfast or an evening treat? This delicious French toast recipe is the perfect recipe. This is a quick and easy way to make a sweet and delicious breakfast recipe. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a mixing bowl, take 1 egg, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well until the sugar dissolves. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder into the mixture and mix well. This recipe is ideal for busy mornings or when you want a tasty treat with minimal effort. Now add 1/4 cup of milk into the egg mixture. Mix everything very well. This mixture will be the base for coating the bread. Now take 2 slices of bread and cut the edges. Cut each slice into smaller pieces, ensuring they are manageable for dipping and frying. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan over low heat. Dip each piece of bread into the prepared egg mixture, ensuring both sides are coated evenly. Allow the bread to soak for a few seconds to absorb the flavors. Carefully place each soaked bread piece into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd. Fry the bread slices until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. When both sides is golden brown and crispy, transfer the French toast pieces to a serving plate. Now in a plate, take 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now mix them very well. Now gently place each bread piece into this mixture and coat evenly on all sides. And there you have it, a sweet, soft and flavorful French toast recipe that's easy to make and very delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more simple and delicious recipes.